In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to have a proven product to promote using one of the top affiliate networks called Clickbank, and it's a proven product that's converting very good, very well for thousands and thousands of people. You can get this product, you can promote this product, and I'm going to share the product with you, what the product is all about. I'm going to share where to promote this product, how to promote this product, where to put the affiliate link for this product to start generating insanely targeted and quality visitors. And I'm going to prove it to you that not just that I'm sharing this method with you, it is actually converting very good for people, and people are making money promoting this one product on Clickbank. So let's get into this. Okay, so if you don't know what Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace that has thousands of digital products. You can promote their product. They pay anywhere from 50% to 75% commission. They have a very good commission structure rate. I highly recommend joining Clickbank because Clickbank is one of the best place to actually get started and start promoting different products online. A lot of people have joined Clickbank. A lot of people have made a lot of money promoting their product, and it is one of the best networks out there. I have been in this business for over 12 years. I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have become mentors, coach, and millionaire. So make sure you watch this video right to the end, because the methods that I teach in my video works, proven, tested either by me or by some of the top gurus who are already making money online. Whenever I bring up a video to you, it is not just a video, it is a research. It is a complete research that I have already done, and I know what's working right now. Because I have a lot of experience in this field, I know what's working, what's the latest trend, and how I can help a beginner go from zero to hero. So if you watch my video right to the end, put things into action and into place, you will start to potentially see results if you have the right mindset and if you have the determination to make things work with a never giving up attitude. So let's get into this. As you know, in my previous video, I talked about the Clickbank marketplace, the marketplace where you can find thousands of products. I talked about the commission structure. I talked about the affiliate page. I talked about the gravity score. I talked about what Clickbank shares that we know that this product converts very good. But today, we're not going to talk about all of that. We are not going to talk about the gravity score. We're not going to talk about the sales page. We're not going to talk about the affiliate page. I'm just going to give you a direct Clickbank offer, a product that's already converting very good, and you can promote this product, and I'm not just going to give you the product, I'm also going to share where people are promoting this product to actually get real human targeted visitors and also make potential commissions, which you can do as well. Okay, and it's a very easy setup. It's very simple, very easy, and you can do it too. So let's get into this. As you know, there are two top niche that converts very good. One is the e-business, e-marketing, which is related to make money online, and one is the health and fitness. This health and fitness converts very good as well, because there's a lot of money to be made and there's a lot of competition. Okay, but if I go into any of these niches in the categories, I'm not going to find a product because I've already tried it. I went through the product list and I can't just find a product. That just shows that sometime you have to actually go into the search bar and type in the product name to get that product, because some of the hidden gems, which I call hidden gems, that's working very good, that's converting very good, that's making money for so many affiliates, are not ranking on the top list of the search marketplace. Okay, so it is there, but we just can't find it. We scroll through one page, then the second page, then the third page, then the fourth page, and we just can't find the product. So sometimes what you need to do is, if you find a product that's being promoted online and a lot of people are promoting it, then obvious there's something there that why people are promoting that product, and that is one of the biggest reason could be that people are making money. Okay, so I'm gonna type in the product name in the search bar to show you the product that's converting very, very good. Because if I just go into the category and I will be scrolling through pages after pages after pages, and I'm not going to find a product. So let's just do this. I'm just going to click on 20 done, and there you go. The product just comes up because I've already done my research on all of this. Okay, now you could see here this product is converting very, very good. Okay, so I'm just giving you the direct product down here in this tutorial, so you can go out there and promote it instead of you doing a research, looking at the gravity, looking at the EPC, looking at the initial sale and commission, etc., etc., testing different products to see which one's going to work, which one's going to convert. I'm just giving you the direct product that's already converting, that's already making money for other top affiliates, and you can do it too. And don't worry, I know what you're probably asking. You're probably thinking, wait, I've got the product, I don't know how to promote it, I don't know how to drive traffic, I don't know how to get visitors. I'm also going to give you where to promote this product and where to get this traffic from. That's also proven as well, because I'm going to share some of the top people doing it, and obviously they're doing it because they're probably making a lot of money. Okay, so this is a product called the 21-day smoothie diet. It's a dieting program that's converting very, very good, and it's a win-win situation just because they're not just giving you the product, they're actually giving you affiliate resources. So they're giving you banner ads, PPC ads, they're giving you the demographic, they're giving you the email source, they're giving you everything for you to promote this product. And that's one of the reasons why this product has a very good gravity score, 62.7%, a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales over the past 90 days. Now the commission is quite low, it's $21. That's your commission, but guess what, it adds up. People are making anywhere from $21 to up to $300 daily commissions with Clickbank, with this just one product, and they are using this product and they are promoting this product using free traffic source, which I am going to share with you, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so 62%. So what we're going to do, we're going to first look at the sales page, and you're going to see that the sales page is quite attractive. Okay, so when you look at the sales page here, here's the sales page. Okay, so it has a headline, it's got ending soon offer, it's got the title, it's got a video. Okay, so you could see here, then on the sidebar it's telling who actually purchased the product. So you could see here it's a very, very high converting sales page, and this is one of the reasons why this product is converting very, very good. Now you need to bear in mind that just because one product converts with one traffic network does not mean that it's going to convert with another traffic source. This is where people get it all wrong. What they will do is they will get one product and they will start driving traffic using one of the networks. Now that network could be free network or a paid network. They will use that network to drive traffic. When they start to see sales like $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day, they start to think that, wow, this product is very good. It's converting very, very good. So what they do, they start creating new campaigns using different traffic networks. And that could be paid network now, because they want to scale their business. So they might use like Google ads, Bing ads, etc. When they start using that, guess what? They drain all that money out. They're not making a single penny. They're getting quality clicks, targeted clicks, but they're not making any money. Now they're thinking, what's going on here? And the reason that's happening is because one product converts very, very good with one traffic network does not mean that it's going to convert with another traffic network. So don't fall for this hype. This happens to everyone. It happened to me as well, and it might happen to you. Once you start generating sales with one of the products, generating so much money, you might want to feel like scaling your business, taking it to the next level, and you go out there and start creating different campaigns with different traffic sources. And when you do that, you're just draining out all your money because it's not converting. So you have to look at the product can convert with several traffic sources, but sometimes one product can convert only with one traffic source and not convert with another traffic source. So you need to keep that in mind. Okay, so this is a very good product. What you want to do, first of all, what you want to do is you just want to get your affiliate link. And when you get your affiliate link, then you want to head over to a page, a tiny URL website like this, and you want to shorten the URL. And the reason you want to shorten the URL is because if you don't shorten the URL, your account will get suspended if you just paste in the affiliate link that you're going to get for this offer. And the reason is because the link is too long. So make sure you shorten your URL using bit.ly or any other short URL shorteners. Okay, and once you have done that, now it's time to drive some traffic to this page. But like I said, it's better not doing direct linking and instead building a quality list within this niche, which is, within this niche, which is weight loss and diet. Okay, that's the best option. Okay, and I already spoke about this, that you build a landing page just similar to this one that you're seeing on the screen. Okay, a landing page just like this that will tell people what to expect on the next page when they enter their email address. Okay, so I highly recommend you build a landing page, you build a squeeze page, but you can do direct linking, and so many people are doing it. So let's get into this and let me show you the proven traffic network that's converting very, very good with this. And the traffic network is called Instagram. Okay, so if you go to Instagram, you can get traffic to this page, and people are actually promoting this product on Instagram. So let me just show you. Okay, if I just type in smoothie diet. Okay, so if I come here and check this out, let's just click on this. So you could see here that this person has 1,800 followers. Okay, and this person's posting constantly. You can see here 11 hearts, 17 hearts, 6 hearts. Okay, so you can see that. And then at the same time, this person's promoting this product letter, and it's a bit.ly URL. Check this out. Let's just click on it and let's see where it takes us to. Okay, so accept. All right, so we can see here continue to the destination, and if you look at the left hand side, it's a Clickbank affiliate link. But unfortunately, this person probably don't know that their Clickbank link is not working, so they're losing a lot of traffic basically. Okay, so let's just go back, let's do some more search, and let me show you 21-day smoothie. Okay, 21-day smoothie. Let's just click on this one. First, let's check the link, making sure that it's working. Alright, so if I click here, you can see here, this person's promoting 3 different products. And this person is quite clever. This person has put some Google AdSense on this page as well. Wow. Alright, so if anyone clicks this link, this person's making money from Google AdSense as well. So let me click on this. And their link is not working as well. Alright, they need to check this out because they are losing a lot of sales. Okay, so let's just go back. Alright, and let's do some more research. Okay, I'm doing live right in front of you to prove it to you that this product works. Okay, so let's go here, let's check this one out. Let's check the link first. Okay, so we could see here they have a couple of offers. Let's just click on this one here. Alright, there you go, boom, Clickbank affiliate link. Okay, this person's promoting a couple of products down here. I guess what product is this? Alright, you see a couple of products down here related to weight loss. One of them is the 21-day smoothie diet. Now if I come to the page, you can see this person's got 551,000 followers, and this person has a link. Okay, look at this, 183 hearts, 75 hearts, 215 hearts. This is what they are promoting. Look at this. These are the posts they are posting nearly every single day, and they are getting this traffic, and they are making sales. You can do this as well. Create a free Instagram account, okay? and then you just want to create a profile using your mobile device, and then you want to put your affiliate link here. Now shorten that link, okay, whether you do direct linking or whether you create a single squeeze page just like this, just make sure you have shortened that URL so it looks good and beautiful. And then persistent is the key to success. You need to post daily. Okay, come up with these posts and start posting these type of posts every single day. This is how you are going to make money online, potentially using this traffic network and a proven product. So what did I do in this video? In this video, I gave you a proven product that's already converting for top affiliates. I already gave you a proven path and a proven traffic network where you can actually get the product out there, start getting visitors and traffic, okay? And I proved it to you that people are doing it, and they're doing it because they are making money. And now one more last thing, you're probably asking yourself, where can I create these posts? I don't know how to do this. It's very simple and very easy. If you just head over to Canva, Canva can do everything for you, okay? So if you just come here and click on create, you can create similar posts, similar banner ads, image ads, everything like this. And you can just come here and type in 21-day, okay, smoothie diet. All right, so let's just go to template, and if you go to template, you will see, okay, let me see if I could find something, smoothie diet. So let's see if I could do that. Okay, so you can see, look, check this out. These are the posts that people are posting on this traffic network. So you could take one of these posts, make some edits as text, and start posting it. Okay, so I hope you got some value in this video, all right? And keep watching, because in my next video, I'm going to teach you some more ways to make money online. So see you in the next video.